In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to do the knit two together decrease. So as you can see from this sample, it's a right leaning decrease, meaning that all the stitches slant to the right. It decreases one stitch every time you perform it. It's usually used on armholes and necklines, things like that, where you want a decrease and a nice neat edge. So in your pattern, it'll probably tell you where to work up to do the decrease. If you're doing it at the edge for say an armhole or something, I wouldn't recommend doing the decrease on the last two stitches. I would leave a couple of stitches at the edge and do the decrease just before that. So I'm going to show you how to do this knit two together. So I've worked up to the point where I want the decrease to be. And this is probably one of the simplest decreases because it is just like you're knitting, except you're going through two stitches instead of one. So instead of going into this stitch as I would normally, I'm going to go into the stitch below and also through into the stitch above. So I've gone through both stitches as though to knit, and then I'm wrapping the yarn round as normal. I'm pushing it through there, and it's as simple as that. And you can see the stitches leaning to the right, and if you look at the back you will see that there's the two loops on the stitch there, which is the two stitches that you've just knit through, which has decreased. So if I just knit to the end, there you can see there's our decrease.